Welcome to IO Code, the programming channel where I post programming related content such as programming tutorials, programming software installations, and even algorithmic video. And if you love any of that, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also ping that bell icon so that whenever I upload any of these videos, you get notified. So enough of the introduction, let us get on with the business of the day. So today we are going to be looking at how to install Postman. But before we start up with the installation process of Postman, let me tell you what Postman is really all about. So Postman is a software that enables us call HTTP endpoint with the different HTTP method such as the get method, the post method, the update method, and even the delete method. So when you have Postman in your computer and you are developing a web application, with the use of Postman during the stage of development inside the same machine, you can call the different endpoints with the different HTTP method, and the request will either succeed or fail depending on how you have configured your application. So with all those stated, let us look at how to install Postman. But at first, we have to download the file at the endpoint postman.com/download. So I'll open up my Chrome and then we can begin with the download process. So right here in Chrome, to begin our downloading of Postman, I'll move over to the endpoint postman.com/downloads. So we have the page for downloading Postman, and we want to download Postman for Windows. So I'll click on this Windows 64-bit since I'm running on a 64-bit PC. So that is it. I'll click on it and download should begin. Now, if you are downloading for a Mac or a Unix operating system, you have to click on this link that says download for Mac or Linux. You have to click on each of this link depending on the particular architecture you are running on that particular OS. So that is it. Now I already have the file of Postman downloaded inside of my computer, so I'm going to pause this download, and I expect you to download it, and when you are done with the download, you can continue with the installation process. So we've downloaded Postman successfully. Now the installation of Postman is straightforward, it's not that hectic or long. So all you have to do is just click on it. Yes, give it some time and it will be installed. So we have it installing already, and in a few seconds from now it should be completed, and then we can start calling endpoint with Postman. And that is it. Our installation of Postman is completed, and this is where you have to post your URL, and these are the different HTTP method. We have even L and options as well as Pash. And that brings us to the end of this video. Please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also ping that bell icon so that whenever I upload the next update you get notified. Thanks and peace out. I'll catch you in the next one.